Hello and welcome to the BMW Motorrad International GS Trophy 2020 here in New Zealand. I'm Sean Thomas.
And I'm Jocelyn Snow, and we will be your presenters for this unique and exciting event. The competitors have arrived, and in just moments, the doors will open and they will rush out to locate their machines. This is so exciting, and it's really the best kickoff.
Featured this year at the GS Trophy is the BMW F 850 GS, an extraordinary middleweight adventure motorcycle equipped with technology and equipment to help riders through some of the most difficult obstacles. These bikes and their riders will be tested in many different ways as we make our way through the North and South Islands of New Zealand. Take a look. So sexy, Hi Brazil!
It's so exciting for me just to see how excited these guys are. It's like Christmas when they were kids.
Tell me what you're feeling right now.
It's still somewhat unreal that I'm actually here, that I'm actually on a bike, and it's got actually my name on it. It feels so unreal.
I think you can really feel the jazz family, and having more than 40 nations around here with these great bikes, you can really feel the spirit, and they're all waiting to get off.
And it's hard to believe that it can get any better.
But believe us,
it gets better.
Join us tomorrow for the first competitive day of the GS Trophy 2020 in New Zealand.